Hello and welcome once again to Kind Party. So today I'll be sharing with you again some hospitals that have updated their career sites. It means that they have updated the jobs that are available, so you can actually apply for these positions. I know that many people are struggling out there to get a job. I'm sharing this information because people have benefited from it from the past. That is why I will keep on sharing these opportunities so that you can actually go to these company websites and search. I would also like to let you know that it is very easy to actually go to company websites and just look for these jobs and apply. It is very easy, but I'm sharing it because there are some people who might not know about this, and to encourage you to go to company websites to always search for jobs. So the first hospital that I'm going to talk about today is American Hospital Dubai, and this is because they have updated their career site again and they have put up some new positions. One of the positions that they have currently is for a staff nurse in the ICU, in the intensive care unit. So if you're someone interested in such a position, please apply. Go there and apply. And remember, before you apply for a job, always try to update your CV. Try to read at the job responsibilities that you have posted. Try to update your own responsibilities that you have in your CV. That is how you are going to rank high in the job search or in the search. Another position that I've seen there again is administrative secretary for housekeeping. So if you're someone who is interested in the housekeeping department or someone that has been working in the housekeeping department, you have some experience, then this is for you. So you can actually work as an administrative secretary in the housekeeping department. Another important position there again is a staff nurse for maternity. So if you're someone who is interested to work as a nurse, a registered nurse in the maternity department, then this is for you. Another job again is clinical coder. This is a medical coder. And remember, I always talk about medical coders. So if you're a medical coder or someone who is interested in this position, then you can go and apply. American Hospital Dubai, remember, is an equal opportunity employer, and they always give chances to people who are willing to work. American Hospital has workers from different parts of the world, whether from Africa, from Asia, from Europe. They all have different people working in the company. Don't say you have not been selected because of one thing or the other. Just keep on pushing and keep on applying. And it is very easy to apply on their site. You don't need to have an account. You don't need to have an account to apply on their site. All you have to do is click search for the position that you want to apply for. Click the position, and just as you see on the screen, it is very easy. You can just go click, upload your CV, and put in the correct information that they have asked, and that is all. The next hospital that I'm going to talk about is Asta Clinic. So as you know, Asta has so many hospitals and clinics in and around the United Arab Emirates. So they currently have some positions that they have put on their website. They have currently 4 vacancies in the billing department, that is billing associates. So if you're someone also that is a medical biller, or someone who has been working in the billing department in a hospital, or who has experience like in medical coding, then this is for you. There are 4 vacancies currently in for billing associates, so you can rush and apply for these positions. Another important opportunity for nurses again in Asta is in the cath lab department. So they are currently having a vacancy for a nurse, a registered nurse in the cath lab. So that is a good position. If you're a nurse, you have to rush there and apply. Another important position again is customer care associate or guest relations executives. They have about 4 openings for this position, so you can just rush there if you're someone who is interested in the customer service, especially in the healthcare field. If you have experience in this field, then you can actually apply for this position as a customer care associate or a guest relations executive. So those are the positions available in Asta at the moment, and you can actually go to their website, and you don't need an account to actually apply. So you can easily go there. It is very easy to apply, just like American Hospital. All you need to just go to the website, upload your CV, and that is all. So I wish you the best again as you keep on applying. Another important hospital that you need to look at is Yas Clinic. I talked about Yas Clinic in one of my videos, and I'm happy because someone actually got a job from this channel. I'm really happy, and that's why I'm still talking about Yas Clinic again. Yas Clinic, as you know, is a rebrand or let me not say a rebrand, a new hospital group that just opened up, and they are currently expanding. If you know about the old Universal Hospital in Abu Dhabi, this building is now Yas Clinic, and they currently have another facility in a Khalifa city in Abu Dhabi. So they are currently hiring, and this company is actually affiliated to the government, so they have a good package and good salaries. They currently have different vacancies in different departments, and for you to apply, it is very easy. All you have to do is to fill in the short form. You choose between the clinical and the non-clinical. So if you are part of the clinical team, if you want to apply as a clinical staff like nurse or nurse assistant, then you choose clinical. If you are non-clinical, maybe in the purchase department, in the marketing or customer relations or patient relations, then you choose the non-clinical. So again, after that, you put your name, you put your email, your department that you want to apply for, your license number if you are working in the clinical side, your contact information, you upload your CV and you send. That is all they need. You don't need to have an account to apply for Yas Clinic. So again, I wish you all the best as you keep on applying for this as we go to the next hospital. The next hospital that we're going to talk about is no other than Mediclinic Hospital. As you know, I will always talk about Mediclinic Hospital because they are an equal opportunity employer also, and they actually give chances to amazing people to come and work in the company. Just last week, I welcomed one new lady in one of our hospitals, and she came in as a phlebotomist. So she's from Africa. She's an amazing lady, and she was excited to join the company. So I was excited to see a new face again in the company, and just last week again, I saw different people from different countries that come into the company. So the culture is diverse, they give opportunities to everyone. They believe so much in multiculturalism. So Mediclinic Hospital is currently having positions for registered nurses in Boon Hall, Al Ain. Boon Hall is a fertility center in Al Ain, and they also have a branch in Dubai. So if you are interested in a position like this, maybe you have worked in a maternity, then this is a position that you can apply for. They also have another position for registered nurse in the medical surgical ward in Al Ain. For those who don't know, Al Ain is like a city inside the emirate of Abu Dhabi. It's like a small emirate in an emirate, but it's not an emirate actually. So, but Al Ain is a beautiful place. So if you get a job there, you will enjoy the place. They also have another position for radiographer in the radiology department, and they have a position for pharmacist in Al Ain, a registered nurse, and home care in Ayadi Home Care. So Ayadi Home Care was purchased few months ago by Mediclinic. So now they also have a home care facility in Al Ain. So they need home care nurses. So if you are someone interested to work in a home care setting, then this is for you. So like I said, they have amazing positions. They have 2 assistant nurse positions currently in Mediclinic Parkview and Al Ain. So you need to look into that and please try to apply. And for you to apply in Mediclinic, you need to go to their website, you create an account, you fill in the correct information before you can apply. So I wish you all the best as you keep on applying again as we go to the next hospital. The next hospital that I will talk about is Rim Hospital. I talked about Rim Hospital in one of my first videos that I did, and that is because at that time, Rim Hospital actually opened their facility. They opened new departments. So Rim Hospital is currently hiring for several positions again, and if you are someone like a lab technologist, then they have a position that is open. You can actually check the position and apply. They also have a position for registered nurse in the outpatient department. So you can work in the outpatient department, maybe in the cardiology, in the neurology, in the gastro. You can work in any of those departments. And they have an opportunity for registered nurse in urgent care. So they don't yet have an emergency department, but they have an urgent care department. So if you're a nurse in the ER, in the emergency department, if you have experience in the emergency department, then this is the same. You can still work in the urgent care department. They also have a position for a practical nurse, that is a licensed assistant nurse. So they have a position open. If you are a licensed assistant nurse, then you can apply for that position. And they have another position again for a registered nurse in the ICU, the cath lab, and in the pediatric ward. They also have a trainee for human resource. So if you are someone who is interested in the human resource department or has experience, you can apply as a trainee in the human resource department. And they have another open position for a warehouse associate, someone that will work in the warehouse, and that will be like a consumables officer. So if you're someone in the logistics or in the supply chain in the medical field, then this is for you. So those are the positions available in Rim Hospital. And as you know, Rim Hospital is located in Rim Island in Abu Dhabi, the Emirate of Abu Dhabi. So those are the hospitals that are hiring at the moment. And I will share with you another 2 hospitals, their HR email, their email that you can send your CV to. For Rim Hospital, you have to apply by creating an account on their website. You have to create an account and fill in the correct information, just like Mediclinic. Then you apply for those positions. Another hospital that we are going to talk about is Capital Health. So Capital Health, as you know, is under the Mubadala group, same like Cleveland. So on Capital Health, they have like the Specialized Rehabilitation Center. That is a center that caters for long-term care patients. So in Abu Dhabi, and they have some other facilities. So for you to apply in Capital Health, maybe you have experience in the long-term care or in home care as a licensed professional or a licensed nurse, then you can apply for Capital Health. For you to apply for Capital Health, it is pretty much easy. All you need to do is prepare a good CV and a good cover letter, and make sure you send it to hr@capitalhealth.ae. That is all for Capital Health. They have several positions available, so if all you need to do is to send your CV to that email on the screen. That's the email on the screen. Another hospital that we are going to talk about is Danat Al Emirat. I talked about this in one of my videos also. So Danat Al Emirat, for you to apply in Danat Al Emirat, you need to send your CV to hr@danatalimarat.ae. So Danat Al Emirat is a hospital that has been specialized for women and children. So if you're someone that has experience in the pediatric department or the maternity or women's health, then this is a hospital that you can apply to. And all you need to do is to send your CV and write a good cover letter to hr@danatalimarat.ae. That is the email on the screen. So guys, those are some of the hospitals that are currently hiring for different positions. And again, if you have any issue, put it in the comment section so that I can help to answer you. And apart from these hospitals, you also need to look at the previous hospital that I've been talking about, like NMC. NMC is always hiring. They are a huge hospital group. Of course, they'll always try to hire people. They are a huge hospital group, so they'll always be hiring for different positions as they keep on expanding. So again, for those who are interested to work in Saudi Arabia, you can actually apply in Mediclinic in Saudi Arabia, Mediclinic Al Mujan in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, because Mediclinic just opened up a huge facility in Jeddah called Mediclinic Al Mujan. More than 100 positions that are actually hiring for. They are hiring for different departments. They have been hiring for over a month now. So but they keep on hiring because it is a new hospital, so they need more staff. Those are the hospitals that you need to actually look into if you are looking for a job in the United Arab Emirates in the healthcare field. I know some hospitals are actually discriminatory in their hiring process, and it is not these hospitals actually, it is the human beings that are being paid to do that work. So if you see a hospital, if you see someone not accepting you for a job, it's not that hospital. It is the human resource person, and that person is a human being. That is the narcissist, that is the person that you are supposed to be angry with, not the hospital. And I want you to know that people are having jobs. It is difficult to get a job now, but people are still getting jobs, so don't give up. You can always keep in touch. You can always stay updated with all these opportunities if you actually check these websites on a daily basis. If you go now and check some of these hospitals, you'll see that on this particular day that you're watching this video, you'll see one of these hospitals, they have updated their career site and they have put out a new position. So it is left for you to actually check these websites on a daily and apply. And remember, before you apply, please, go to the hospital, like what you see on the screen. Go to the hospital, make sure that you click the position, check the duties or the responsibility that they have placed for that job, check what they need for that job. If you don't have some of those keywords that are in their responsibilities or the duties in your own CV. It is fine. Pick out those things from that job and put in your CV before you send your CV to that company. Because it will not make any sense for you to send your CV, for you to actually send your CV to that company. Meanwhile, you have read the description and you don't have anything that matches the description of that job. If you don't have anything, try to edit your CV. It's fine. It's better for you to apply only for 2 or 3 jobs very well for a day than for you to apply for 100 jobs and you don't get any call. Each job will have a different job description. Each company has their own job description that they will put out. So it is not the same. Don't take one CV and keep on applying and applying. You are not getting any call. So try to edit it so that at least you have a chance. So like I said, it is very difficult to get a job, but there's no giving up. The main thing is that we are not supposed to be selfish with knowledge. If you have an opportunity, share with someone. Maybe you are not qualified with this. You know someone who is qualified. No need to keep it. Try to share with someone. Maybe they will apply and maybe they will get that job. And if they get that job, it is a good thing for them and their family. And you have helped someone. And you have helped your family also. And that good is going to come back to you. So life is simple. There's no need to be selfish with the information. And this information that I'm sharing with you is something that is just basic, that you can actually see yourself online. But again, there are people who might need that push. So that is why I'm sharing this video. And if you know that it has helped in any way, please give a thumbs up and please continue to subscribe and share the video. I really appreciate all those who have subscribed to the channel and keep on supporting. I wish you all the best and good luck in your job search. And I know that you will get a call.